What's up mga kote? It's me, Ate Mariel, at welcome sa Kodernos, where learning is the name of the game. So kung bago ka pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, i-click mo na subscribe, like, and share button para maging updated ka sa aming mga videos. So samahan natin si Super K sa panibagong araw at panibagong lesson na ating matututunan dito sa Kodernos. At ang bagong lesson natin for today is the Skeletal System. So nandito na tayo sa ating mga different parts of our body and kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga system na yun and ano-ano nga ba yung mga functions nila sa ating katawan. So before we start, meron akong panibagong trivia for you and para sa mga students. So ito, wipe your hands dry. It decreases the bacteria count by 45 to 60%, whereas the hand dryer increases it to 255%. So you know the hand dryer sa mga fast food chains, yung automatic, yung nag-automatic magde-dry yung ating hands when pagkatapos ating kumain or maghuhugas tayo and we want it na ma-dry agad yung ating hands, but it increased the bacteria into 255%. Pero pag nagpunas ka lang, 45 to 60% yung bacteria count, and you can use alcohol para syempre luminis ulit yung kamay mo. But pag sa hand dryer, you can have the 255% increase in bacteria. So yon. So ngayong pandemic, be mindful and be practical or be smart about what you use during the pandemic. So yan. So eto na ang ating lesson. So let's find out. You have learned that when several body organs work together, do a special job, it is called a system. So yan. Pag may ginagawa sila together, yung mga organs natin, so nagkakaroon tayo ng mga uses nito and kung ano-ano, paano ba natin to nagagamit, ano ba yung magiging functions sila sa ating katawan in order us to live. So you have learned that several body organs work together to do a special job. It is called a system. So yan. There are 12 important systems in the human body, but we will only study 5 of them. You will know more about the others in higher grades. So most of the time, we study here as basic as skeletal, muscular, nervous, digestive, and nervous system. But when you enter medical school, a lot of things you will study. Endocrine system, other systems pa na pwede nyo makita depende sa course nyo in med school. And nung nagbabasa ako ng mga medical books, a lot of parts and masyado nagiging complex yung mga body parts or yung mga parts ng muscular, skeletal, nervous system as you go to higher grades and of course when you enter to a medical school, because you will study about the anatomy of our body and how to cure it and how to see a type of that part. So yeah. The word skeletal is taken from the word skeleton, meaning the bones of the body. The bones work together to give shape to the body. So iba-iba yung mga skeletons natin. So iba-iba yung mga height and size ng mga skeletons natin depende sa ating age and of course sa ating gender. So yan. Without the bones, you will surely like a shapeless pillow. The bones also protect the softer parts of the body, the brain and the heart. It protects us. Kasi ba, ang ating heart meron siyang cage dito. So yung brain natin meron siyang skull. So meron tayong rib cage and meron tayong skull to protect our brain and heart. Kasi ang brain and heart, ito yung pinaka-vital and the most important part of our body because brain helps us to memorize, to recognize kung ano-ano yung mga pwede nating maramdaman and of course ma-feel. Pag sa heart natin, in order us to live. Para magkaroon tayo ng maayos na function sa ating blood at sa ating iba pang mga katawan. So yan. A baby has about 150 bones. By the time baby reaches adulthood, he or she will have just over 200 bones. So yan. But the explanation of that is, and why so? Did the bones just fall out or did they just disappear? The answer is no. As you grow older, some of your smaller bones will join together to make bigger bones. So, kung baby ka, meron ka 350, magkakaroon ka na ng 200 dahil nagsama-sama sila to form a bigger bones for you. So, the longest bone in your body is the one above your knee. It is the thigh bone. So, yung pinaka-longest bone sa ating body na pwedeng makita sa ating mga x-ray or pwede nating makapa is yung ating thigh bone. So, yon ang ating longest bone. So, this is the skeletal system. So, when you want to be a, di ba meron mga doctors for bone? Nakalimutan ko yung tawag. Wait. Meron mga tawag dun sa mga ganun tao. And please comment down below kung anong tawag sa kanila, nakalimutan ko. So, yan. So, when I watch romantic doctor or yung mga iba pa mga medical dramas, may natututunan ako about how they treat their patients, kung paano ba ginagawa yung mga operations, how they work on emergency rooms, and how they study the anatomy of our body, especially in skeletal, muscular, nervous, and mga ating mga digestive and endocrine system. So, may iba-iba silang mga role, like general surgeon, cardiologist, mga chiropractor, mga iba't ibang mga klase ng mga doctors na pwede nating lapitan when we have a problems in our body. But this is the skeletal system, and may mga doctors na pwedeng magtumulong sa atin if may problem tayo sa ating mga bones. Mula skull, mandible, meron mga may mga complicated parts dyan, but as a grade 2 student, di naman natin yan mapapag-aralan dahil yan ay pinag-aaralan talaga pag ikaw ay naging specialist na or nasa med school ka. So, ayan. So, pero yun ang mga parts ng ating skeletal system. So, mga sinasaulo yan, nare-recognize sila kung anong part yan, pag nagkakaroon ng operations, ng x-ray, and of course, nagkakaroon ng mga test para malaman kung saan nga ba may problema ang ating bones or ang ating skeletal system. So, yan. So, yan ang ating skeletal system. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless you. Yun ang ating end na lesson about skeletal system. Leave a comment down below if you like. Click the thumbs up button if you like this video and leave a comment down below if you have questions, clarifications, and suggestions regarding to our future and recent videos. So, thank you. Have a great day and God bless you in my next video. Bye-bye.